All right, y'all, you know how they say you never know how much you're gonna miss something until it's gone. Well, that just happened to me, and I'm going to show you something maybe you didn't know. If in case you're wondering, I could not find out how to screen record. I actually wanted to screen record a video, and I did not have that option. Usually I go to like this little screen right here on I had the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it actually had the screen record option here. As you could see, I was looking for it like crazy, so I myself had to YouTube it. So I feel that since I learned how to do it, I wanted to go ahead and show you, if in case you're wondering, where is my screen record option? So let me go ahead and show you. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and hold this down. As you can see, it's going to highlight all of that. And then it has down here, it has add control. So we're going to go ahead and add control, select that. It's going to give you all these little widgets that you could go ahead and add to that screen. So it not only has screen recording, it actually has other options if in case you feel the need that these need to be on like your little, I don't know how to call it, the control screen. So if in case you feel that these need to be on your control screen, you can go ahead and select more options, but I'm going to go ahead and add the screen recording option. So you can see now it adds it. So as you can see, it has like spaces for different ones, and you could also remove the ones that you don't feel that are good to you. But other than that, I'm going to go ahead and select done. You just tap on it. It brings those away. And then we're going to go ahead and select screen record. It's going to do the little countdown like it did before. Now we are screen recording. Let me go ahead and stop this. So there is my screen recording. Let me know if this was helpful to you. If you were like me and you were looking for your screen record option, let me know if this was helpful down in the comments, and see you next time.